Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today I'm going to be launching a couple new background designs, like brand spanking new background designs for the Glassine bag printable mini album templates. So far we only made one album with this, and that is the one that we did, the Santa Baby one. I am going to put a link down below to the playlist for this. We did this before Christmas. That is why the templates were released before Christmas, because I wanted to be able to get this album done for you guys. And then that's why we've waited. How long has it been? Let's see. Since I've released it last, gosh, 4 or 5 months. I don't know. It's been a while. We've been working on the Wanderlust, so that's been a lot of fun. So now we're getting back to the Glassine bag template. So at some point, this is the one we made during video, and at some point, I will be giving away my prototype. So this was the prototype I made to do the class at MadeCon in September of 2018. So I'm going to give this away sometime during this video series. Not the one that I made on video, but the prototype. I will put a link up here, to a clickable link to the playlist for the Santa Baby Glassine bag album series. But anyway, so in one of the videos, we'll do a giveaway for this. So stay tuned for that. So we're getting ready to start our next album, and it's going to be, let me grab it. We're going to be using the Prima Midnight Garden collection, and we're going to be using the shades of color, and we're going to be using color numbers 15 and 22. So one of them is this really pretty wine color, and then the other one is this really pretty, like, blue-greenish kind of color. So those are the two background designs that I know for sure that we're going to use with this, with the Midnight Garden. There will be a link down below to different, I'm pretty sure the Midnight Garden is still available, but there is a specific Amazon link down below for the Midnight Garden album. So anything that I use should be in there, or the equivalent of. Some of them, I've noticed that sometimes if a collection is really old, that paper pad might be really expensive. So don't buy it through there if it's over $30. That is just ridiculous. But that is just a place for you guys to go and get a list of everything that I'm using. You see what it looks like, see what the package looks like, see what a price reference might be. And that way, it's just an easy, simple place to go. So I will have a link down below for that, and some other stores like scrapbook.com and different things where I'll link the specific product too. Okay, so this is the Printable Glassine bag mini album, and all of the information you need to know about this, like the approximate size measurements and all of that, they're on the listing in Etsy. So I will have a link below to the section in my Etsy store for just these Glassine bag printable mini album templates. Now, one of the things that's really cool about this printable template is you're going to get, first of all, you're going to choose your favorite background design, and today I'm going to release 2 brand new background designs, and I'll talk about that in just a minute. But you also get the coffee stained, that's not the background, but you get the try not to show you the new backgrounds. You get the coffee stained background with every single purchase of the Glassine bag printable mini album template. You also get the, yeah, I can't remember what order I put these in. You get a set of the plain templates. So basically it's just got the distressed edges all the way around. You get a printable guide workbook. And let me show you mine really quick. I have a video on how I made my workbook. I will link that down below as well. There'll be a video playlist specifically for this album down below as well. I don't know if I already said that or not. But in this workbook, I do have the words printed onto the actual pages. So they're actually there. So when you print this page out of your guide, not of all the templates, just your guide, it'll have all of this information already on there. This is something new I did with this template. So you guys seem to like it. So if I can do that in the future, I will. But anyway, so this is the workbook, and this is the coffee stained background design that I printed off. I like to use one of my background designs when I'm doing my workbook. It's just prettier for me. I don't know, I just have a thing about that. But anyway, so this is the workbook, and this will be in the playlist for the Midnight Garden album. The workbook video will be in there. So the introduction to the templates will be there, and then the workbook will be there, and there'll also be a what we're using video for this album. So let me show you the two background designs. I am so excited about these. The first one is Collage 2. Okay, I'm gonna bring it closer to you. Collage 2. Can you see all of that yummy goodness? It's a whole bunch of ephemera and vintage pages and papers and receipts and things that have been sent to me or that I've collected on my own. Here as of late, let me show you. I printed it off onto one of the pages. So this is the Glassine bag. This is page number 5, I believe. It's not the Glassine bag, but it's like the one that's more structured. So here it is in action. Right, there's the back side of that page. It's just got all kinds of cool details. I mean, it's just, I love it. And the color is fabulous. Okay, so then I printed, that's the shades of color. That's the wine color that we're going to be using. So there's one. So collage number 2. And then the reason I'm releasing both brand new backgrounds at one time is I think they go really great together. So I think I'm going to use both of these background designs in this album. So the second brand new background design is Ledger. Now let me bring it up to you. Super close. You see that? That is Ledger. Isn't that pretty? It's got this vanilla vintage, I don't know, just beautiful color to it. So let me show you what that looks like. I printed that one out. So there it is on that same page, page number 5, I believe. So there's one, and then there's that greenish color from the shades of color, right? And then there's the other side. So, right, aren't those pretty? Look at those two together. Absolutely perfection. Now, in the collage number 2, there is a little bit, you can see a little bit of the Ledger in there. So maybe that's why I'm just like stuck on them being together, but I think I'm going to use both of these in, I don't know why. I am sitting here looking up at my camera like a goofball. So I think I'm going to use both of these in this album. Now you do not have to. You can just use the coffee stain and the collage if you get the collage, or you can use the coffee stain and the script, or not the script, Ledger, because it's already out in the script. So if you have the script, you can use the coffee stain and the script instead of these two new ones. But these are really a couple of my favorites right now. Also, because they quickly became a couple of my favorites, I have added them to some other templates. So the Collage 2 will be available in all the different bundles of the Wanderlust. I'll have that linked below specifically if you're interested. And then it'll also, the Ledger will also be available in the Wanderlust, all 3 different bundles. And they're also going to be available in the Remnants Lovely Layers, the Ledger and the Collage 2. I just feel like they lend themselves perfectly to these templates, and since these are the most recent ones, I think that they all kind of, they have a, I don't know, they just lend themselves perfectly well to these templates. So I will have these all linked down below if you want to get your hands on them, because these, I love these background designs. They are super cool. Okay, and so again, you don't have to buy these if you don't want these to make this next album. You can use the script in place of if you want. Or, you know, you can use coffee stained paper, actual ephemera, that kind of stuff. So you use whatever you want, but these are the 2 things I'm going to use in this album, I believe. These are the 2 background designs. And there will be a coupon code. I'll tell you about that in a minute if you want to pick them up now while you've got the coupon code. Okay, so what else was I going to tell you? Okay, so don't forget, when you purchase this, you will get this background design, you will get the coffee stained background design, and you will get a plain background design. So that is 3 background designs in one purchase. And I was also thinking that it might be super cool to make an album just with these background designs and maybe the shades of color. You know what I'm saying? Just with the background designs and the coffee stain, I think I think it could be done, and I think it would look beautiful. So I'm thinking about maybe doing them together. I don't know, we'll see. Don't hold me to nothing. We'll have to see how my time goes, because I'm recording a little bit ahead of time because I want to work on my workstation while you guys are watching this. So I'm kind of multitasking at the moment. So I'm hoping that you get to see this video on a certain day. So we'll see. We'll see how that works out. Okay, so these are going to be released. So then the script is also out right now. And then let me, this is the coffee stained right there. Let me go to the page I'm looking at. See, these templates look good on coffee stained, but actual coffee stained paper as well. Super cute. And book page. Yeah, okay. Even black. I've printed it on black. All right, so next step, I want to talk about the giveaway drawing. I want to talk about voting for your next 2 background design releases in this printable. So these are your choices. We have watermark. Oh, here's another. There's another brand new background design. I forgot about this one. I'm not releasing it today, but it's a brand new background design, and it is called Vintage Polka Dot. Can we see? Isn't that lovely? Okay, so what I did was I took the coffee stained, well, part of the coffee stained background design and my polka dot background design, and I merged them together. And this is what we come up. When I did these background designs, I had forgotten I had already got a brand new one for when I had to re-release, but that's okay. So when this one comes out, I'll also have it on the Wanderlust and the Remnants as well, but this one's not out right now. But this is also a brand new background design. Okay, so, oh, I should have told you too, really quick. Here is the collage number 1. This is just like a half sheet. And then here is the collage number 2. So they're way different in tone. So this is super light, and this one definitely has more vintage color to it. So there's the difference between collage number 1, collage number 2. I completely forgot to show you guys that. Okay, so your choices are watermark, vintage polka dots, note paper, distressed stripes, wood planks, well, wood, Harley script, music notes, and vintage. So what you need to do is down below in the comments, you need to vote for 2 of your favorite background designs. And then I will hold a drawing on, let me see, I wrote it down. On June 4th, I will draw to see who wins. There'll actually be 2 winners. So you will win whatever 2 background designs win that vote. Does that make sense? Or get the most votes for that giveaway drawing. So be sure to leave a comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe and like the videos and all of that jazz. Okay, so there is a coupon code that's good for a couple days. It's down in the description box below, or in the show more section. It's down there because I don't know exactly what date this is going to be published, but it's down there, and it should be good for 2 days, and it's good for 25% off of everything in my shop with a minimum purchase of $10. So it's either good for 2 or 3 days, depending on what day this goes public. So be sure to check that out. Be sure to do that drop-down menu and check that out. Oh, and real quick, I've got a new background design on my table here. I actually had to change it from my usual, and I thought I had some more of my usual, but I don't have any more of my usual, and this is what I did have, so I don't even know if I like it or not. You guys give me your thoughts on that as well. I'm just curious of what you think. So I hope you guys like the 2 new background designs. They are super cool. So be sure to go check out my Etsy shop. Be sure to go check out my Etsy shop. Can't wait to get started on this with you guys. I think that's all I have for you guys. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.